I am Sang-Jin Lee, majoring in Information Systems at Bugyong University. We start the presentation. An empirical study on effecting, experience on verbal, bias on professional, self-concept, focus on bank consulting. Contents 1. Abstract 2. Introduction 3. Research model 4. Research hypothesis 5. Data collection 6. Verification of structural model 7. Conclusion. I'll give a presentation in order. 1. Abstract. This study is about verbal abuse in course of the counseling at banks. Verbal violence is classified as violence in the course of the counseling for people who have nothing to do with them. Language violence against relevant people is an improper violence situation in which perpetrators and victims occur in various space. It refers to violence committed to others in a certain space. Language violence during the counseling process tends to be neglected due to its unclear substance, but the damage continues to increase. Various psychological studies of actual violence have been conducted in reality, but psychological studies of verbal abuse have not been carried out much because they are simply considered. This study focuses on analyzing the relationship of influence on professional self-concept through the psychological exhaustion of verbal abuse experienced during the consultation process of bankers. The factors that determine the experience of verbal violence are the experience of violence, the experience of violence damage, and the attitude of violence. The summary of the study is as follows. First, the experience of violence has had a significant impact on psychological exhaustion. Second, the experience of violence damage had a significant impact on psychological exhaustion. Third, violence personality had a significant effect on psychological exhaustion. Fourth, psychological exhaustion had a significant impact on professional self-concept. Keyword: experience of violence offender, experience of violence victim, attitude of violence toleration, psychological exhaustion, professional self-concept. 2. Introduction. Lately, verbal abuse has caused a serious problem in the counseling process to the development of smart devices and information and communication. The research on verbal abuse begins at the call center with the development of smart devices and a great deal of research. is being done as the damage caused by verbal abuse is known. Various studies are being conducted to understand the phenomenon of verbal violence and to identify the causes and to reduce verbal violence. The scope of verbal violence also varies, including definition, phenomena, type, causes, results, factors, etc. In the early stage of research on verbal abuse, definition and types were central. In the definition and type of verbal violence study, perpetrators and victims were distinguished from cases of verbal abuse. In this study, the experience of verbal violence was divided into violence, abuse experience, violence victim experience, and violence tolerance. This study was conducted by empirically analyzing that the experience of verbal violence affects professional self-concept through psychological exhaustion. In order to test the relationship between the factors described above, a structural equation model was conducted. 3. Research model. This study focuses on analyzing the relationship between verbal violence experience and psychological exhaustion and professional self-concept. The factors that determine verbal violence experience were divided into violence abuse experience, violence victim experience, and violence tolerant attitude. A research model based on previous research is shown. 4. Research hypothesis. Research was conducted to prevent verbal abuse and actors of abuse in the legal or administrative sectors. Experience in speech violence is the most important factor in predicting experience of abuse against verbal abuse. Violence tolerance refers to an undoubtedly acceptable attitude toward verbal abuse, and the more verbal abuse is exercised in the course of counseling. In this study, the following hypotheses were established based on prior studies. Hypothesis H11. Violence offender will have a significant effect on psychological exhaustion. Hypothesis H12. Violence victim will have a significant effect on psychological exhaustion. Hypothesis H13. Violence tolerance will have a significant effect on psychological exhaustion. Counselors who have experienced verbal violence suffer from self-esteem cause anger, experience sad feelings, and even become miserable. Professional self-concept has limitations in approaching or solving at the individual level. Therefore, in this study, the following hypothesis whether is established based on previous studies. Hypothesis H2 psychological exhaustion will have a significant effect on the professional self-concept. 5. Data collection. A total of 250 users responded to the survey. The basic statistical survey is as follows: 45% of respondents are male and 55% are male. Women have a relatively higher proportion than men in terms of age. The average age was 28.8 years. This is a result of reflecting that most of the respondents are consultants at banks. For the questionnaire, analyst SPSS 24.0 and Smart PLS 2.0 structural equation software were used for basic statistics. 6. Verification of structural model. The structural model verification is shown in the diagram. 7. Conclusion. The major finding of this study. In this study, the experience of verbal violence has been proven in psychological exhaustion and professional self-concept. First, the experience of violence has had a significant impact on psychological exhaustion. Second, the experience of violence damage had a significant impact on psychological exhaustion. Third, violent personality had a significant effect on psychological exhaustion. Fourth, psychological exhaustion had a significant impact on professional self-concept. Based on this study, a new model for psychological exhaustion and professional self-concept was proposed in the experience of the verbal violence. Empirical analysis has enabled us to identify the results of our research on professional self-concept. The theoretical study of psychological exhaustion and professional self-concept is of significance to the empirical study insignificant circumstance. Relevant agent seeking the resolution of verbal violence can help plan the resolution of professional self-concept by recognizing psychological exhaustion and professional self-concept. Based on this study, a new model for psychological exhaustion and professional self-concept was proposed in the experience of verbal violence. This concludes the presentation above. Thank you for listening to the end.